Earth is a donut now. Same mass, same oceans, same 7 billion people, just reshaped into a torus. A ring of rock and water spinning through space with a hole through the middle. And I need you to understand, this is worse than you think, not because of the shape, because of everything the shape breaks. A donut planet has one non-negotiable requirement. It has to spin, fast. A full rotation every 2 hours and 50 minutes. That's not a design choice. That's the price of existence. Centrifugal force is the only thing keeping the hole open. Without it, gravity wins, the hole collapses, and you get a very bad day. We'll come back to that. First, let's take a tour. Welcome to the outer equator, the outside rim of the donut. Gravity here is 0.3 g. You weigh a third of what you're used to. Drop a ball and it falls in slow motion. Jump and you hang in the air long enough to question your life choices. The oceans here are terrifying. Same wind, same storms, but gravity can't pull the water back down fast enough. Waves 3 times the height of Earth's. Surfing paradise, shipping nightmare. And the sunrise? 15 seconds. The sun doesn't rise here, it launches. Clears the horizon, races across the sky, and sets 90 minutes later. Then does it again, and again. 8 sunrises per day. Your body clock doesn't stand a chance. Oh, and mountains. With gravity this low, rock can stack higher before it crushes itself. The tallest peak on the outer equator could reach 24 kilometers, 3 times the height of Everest. You'd need a pressure suit to climb it. Move to the poles, the top and bottom ring of the donut, and things calm down. Gravity climbs to 0.65 g. Still lighter than Earth, but workable. This is the temperate zone. The closest thing to normal you'll find. The weather, though, that's not normal. The extreme rotation creates Coriolis forces that make Earth look quaint. Forget complex storm systems. Think Jupiter, banded jet streams wrapping around the entire ring. Storms a quarter the size of Earth's hurricanes, but tighter, meaner, and longer-lived. The atmosphere is 1.5 times taller than Earth's, and the clouds stack into towers that would make a thunderhead jealous. Now, the inner rim, the inside of the hole, this is where it gets strange. You step outside and look up, and the rest of the planet is overhead. Not sky, not stars. The other side of the ring, arching across your field of vision like an impossible bridge. During the day, it's a blue-green band with white cloud streaks. Like looking at Earth from the space station, except it's above you and it's also the ground. At night, you see cities, the lights of the far side 2,600 kilometers away, glowing in your sky like a highway made of stars. But living here isn't romantic. The inner rim is cold. The far side of the ring blocks the sun every few hours, casting a secondary eclipse in the middle of the day. Noon goes dark, then comes back, then goes dark again. Temperature stays subarctic. The ground is iced over. And with 0.3 g on slick ice, that's not charming, that's lethal. And then there's the hole itself. Warm air from the sunlit outer surface rises, flows over the poles, and pours into the hole. Cold air from the shadowed inner rim pushes back the other way. The result is a permanent wind tunnel through the center of the planet. Gale-force winds, constant, unrelenting. Nobody builds near the hole. Nobody sails through it. It's a howling corridor that never stops, because the temperature difference that drives it never stops. But here's the part that keeps physicists up at night. Everything I just described, the weird gravity, the 8 sunrises, the ice rim, the wind tunnel, all of it depends on one number. Rotation speed, 2 hours and 50 minutes per revolution, not roughly, exactly. Slow the rotation by 5% and the hole begins to shrink. The inner rim starts compressing. Continents on opposite sides of the hole drift toward each other. Oceans shift. Slow it by 10% and you're watching a geological catastrophe in real time. The donut is collapsing into a sphere. Tectonic plates buckling. Mountain ranges folding like paper. every ocean basin on the planet reshaping simultaneously. The energy released makes every earthquake in Earth's history look like a rounding error. In the cruel part, nothing holds that rotation steady, no mechanism, no engine. Tidal forces from the sun, slowly, invisibly, drain angular momentum from the spin. A donut Earth isn't unstable like a house of cards. It's unstable like a spinning top. Beautiful. Precise. Temporary. Earth is a donut now. Same mass, same oceans, same people. 8 sunrises a day, cities hanging in the sky, and a clock that's always ticking. It's worse than you think. Not because of the shape. Because the shape won't last.